Hello, and welcome to the SNU Library website. You can access the library's website by going to library.snu.edu. It is helpful to bookmark this website for future reference. In this tutorial, we will learn how to navigate the library website and the library resources. Let's take a look at the different features of the library homepage. When we scroll down, we will come to this search bar. This search bar connects you to StormSearch. StormSearch is the SNU Library's discovery tool that leads you to our books, videos, databases, and journal articles. We have a separate tutorial video on how to search in StormSearch that I will link in the description below. Below the search bar is the Search EBSCO link. EbscoHost is our largest and most popular database that holds over 39 databases within it. We have a separate tutorial that shows you how to search within EBSCO that I will link in the description below. Next to EBSCO, we have the Research Databases link. We subscribe to over 80 databases, which means you should never have to pay for research. Our database collection covers a wide range of topics. You can search through this database page by the subject dropdown, by material type, or if you know the actual database you are looking for, you can type it in the search box here. Let's say that I want databases that cover education. I will search using the subject dropdown and choose education. Here you can see that we have 31 databases for education. We've even highlighted our top picks for this subject area. Let's head back to the homepage and look at some other features of the SNU Library website. Next, we have our library hours link. As you can see, we have our current library hours published on the homepage. When you click on the library hours link, you will be able to find information about holiday and extended hours. Next is our Ask a Librarian page. You can chat, call, email, or schedule a research appointment with one of the reference librarians. We also have this chat with a librarian button on the side of the homepage where you can chat live with a reference librarian. Our next button is the Interlibrary Loan page. Interlibrary Loan allows you to request books, articles, and other materials from another library. In other words, if the SNU library doesn't have the book or article you need, we can ask other libraries if they will let us borrow that book or article from them. We have a separate tutorial about how to request materials through Interlibrary Loan that I will link in the description below. Our next page is the Fred Floyd Archives. The FFA, or Fred Floyd Archives, holds physical and digital materials related to the rich history of SNU, Bethany, and the Nazarene Church. This link sends you to the archives page, but you can visit our physical archives room located on the first floor of the SNU library. Our next link takes you to the News and Events page. The News and Events page provides you with latest news and event information about the library. Next, we have our room request form. The room request form allows you to make a room reservation for one of the classrooms on the second floor of the library. At the bottom of the library homepage are even more resources and resources organized by borrowing procedures, research support, faculty support, and our About section. The Borrow, Return, Pay Fines dropdown menu gives you information about borrowing and returning materials, the technology, equipment, and supplies that are available to check out, our laptop use policy, the new books we have in the library, checkout procedures for non-SNU members, course reserves catalog, and how to apply for a Metropolitan Library System card. The research support dropdown can connect you to a librarian through the online chat service or the research help form. This dropdown can also direct you to our subject research guides, research resources, tutorials, and citation help pages. We also have faculty resources on the library homepage. Here you can schedule a library instruction session for your class, fill out a course reserve request, or purchase request form. Finally, the About menu gives you information on the library staff, our policies, and hours. We've also linked the SNU campus map, job opportunities within the library, frequently asked questions, and ways to contact us. I hope this tutorial helps you feel more comfortable navigating the library website. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact the SNU library. Thank you.